Hey, yo, what's good guys? Good to be back in the markets fully, and I have some pretty big news today. Today is actually going to be the first day that I am on a funded challenge. So that'll be some pretty good content, some good discipline installed. Right now, I'm looking at this setup, this GJ. It's just a 5-minute. Let's go and do some higher time frame analysis. There's a plane outside, fucking again. Alright, so when I scale up to the 1 hour, you can see at the current time, we are bullish, broken this swing, and like all of these swings, and above 200 EMA. Always a good sign that we're bullish. Scale it down to the 5-minute, which is what I'm taking this setup off. The zone is actually under the 200, but I'd say similar to a liquidity grab, I'm going to be looking for a wick and a close above the 200. It's not going to invalidate it for me if it wants to close just below, but it's gonna, make me a lot more unsure, just since I don't want price action when I'm buying to be, I don't even want it close to the 200. So this isn't ideal. This little push up here, this is what really validates this demand for me. It broke this swing and this swing. Now that's a lot of force coming out of here. Obviously, high probability. You see this gap attached to the zone just there. Good pullbacks already. We just need a, obviously, good rejection and break of candle entry. So I will come back when it's testing. By the way guys, no news today, that's what I'd say. To be honest, as far as what I said as, I don't want it to close under the 200 EMA. That candle closed just here is probably really ideal. It's close to it, but it's not under it. Meaning this one has a lot of time to come in and then reject, and you know the rest. Break of candle is actually up here right now, so I don't want it to start running yet. Another like 4 minutes would be ideal, because then a 1-to-1 would just be so much higher. A 1-to-1 with this candle break would be the entry of the next candle break. What we've seen so far is good rejections. This is like the third retest, I think. There is another zone down here with a gap, but I don't know if I'd take it if it goes that low, because then we're just really under the 200. Less than a minute until the next candle. Okay, so that close isn't preferable, but the break is in the same place. I can actually bring this stop a tiny bit tighter, but yeah, I don't want any lower breaks. By the way, I am doing position sizer, just doing 1% risk for this funded challenge. If it gives break of candle here, I am in, simply. That was the break of candle for me, so I am officially in. 9 pips stop loss, and then yeah, I just want to see how far I can take this one up, to be fair. So the TPs I'm putting in now aren't actual waypoints, but I mean, what I saw, the gaps to be filled up here, and then this, it's marked a lot different over on here. As we see, good break. It's a bit more unclear on MetaTrader. But here we can see a high probability supply. I know I shouldn't really be looking at it as a, oh, that's where I'm going to take it to, because, above 200 and stuff like that, but gaps to be filled there. I think somewhere around this mark would be, a 1 to 2 first trade. Bit optimistic, but would be a beautiful start. I'm just going to let it retest zone. If it wants to hit my stop loss, then that's why it's there, I guess. That's a break to the lower side. I could possibly cut loss here, but I'm just treating it as another retest into the zone that I'm trading off. Not much to say right now. I think I'm just gonna go quickly get a drink just behind me, so it won't be ages. Bloody great. Be right back. Kind of consolidation at zone. Like, could be a cool place to twin trade, but for the first trade of the account, just not going to take many risks. Just plain and simple, break of candle entry, take profit there, but stop loss here. I'm not going to try to get fancy with it right now. I believe that might have been a close in the zone. Like just, I'm not going to cry about that. To be honest, right now, I thought I'd be a lot more, you know, scared with mentality. Good rejections. Yeah, just like scared with mentality and stuff like that. But realistically, I'm in the same state of mind as when I was on a 10k demo trying to do this, which is always a good sign. Let's hope we can push above our entry price right now. Well, I believe that's actually broke the previous candle. By the way, on MetaTrader, it's so hard to see stuff like that. So I'm just going to quickly head back on over here. Yeah, and here you can just see it easily. Can't zoom in far enough on MetaTrader, I think. It's kind of just like parallel fucking candles right now. Let's try and push up a little bit. Or not. There you are. That's a bit of something at least. Let's go. Come on, let's keep pushing. That's just a really good sign when even just leaving a high wick, it just shows so much buying power in the market. How much longer of this candle? Oh, new candle in like 5 seconds, literally. What are we? It's trying so hard to push, it's just not though. It's doing too much. This shit just making me tired, bro. Jesus. What a fucking doji. It's already 2 minutes into this candle. 3 minutes into this candle. Snoozing. Hello. Nice to meet you. Volatility. Let's see where 1-to-1 would be. Literally just here. Literally right there would be 1-to-1. Let me bring this. I'm just eyeballing it now, to be fair. Something like that. Anyways, all we need to know is that it's finally pushing. Like I was saying, a twin trade could have been cool, but really just keeping it just what I know best right now. So that's 1-to-1, and that's where I want to hold it to, which is, no, that's 1-to-1 apparently. And yeah, with a 50 quid stop loss, that's definitely not 100 quid in profit when we're pretty much at 1-to-1, but we move. Kind of slowing down, not gonna lie. Well, it's literally listening to me. It's like, no, I'm not. Okay, so 1-to-1 has definitely been hit, but I'm really just trying to hold it. I'm not trying to get greedy, but I just don't want to be, you know, hovering over the fucking close position as soon as it hits 1-to-1. Because then all of my losses will be the same as my wins. So let's try and see where this can go up to. I've got my take profits in place. That'd be like a 1.5-to-1 risk to reward ratio. Risk to reward ratio. Fucking tongue twister. 1.5 to 1 Let's see if my guy Mangoe has exited the trade yet, because I think he also took this. Yo, it's good.
Yo.
You still in?
Oh shit, I forgot I'm even in the shit. I'm sorry, I'm joking. I'm on the down, but I'm just... What am I saying? Yes, I took it. What the fuck was going on? Bro, okay, yeah, no, I took it 1 to 1.
Oh, you took it?
Yeah, volume started slowing down.
That's exactly what I was saying. It's kind of slowed down.
Are you in or?
I'm in, yeah, I'm still in.
I'd say, I don't know, it's not really the momentum anymore.
Yeah. I was just saying, I don't want all of my trades to be 1 to 1. It's literally at break even now though, so I might just have to close.
Yeah, probably. Yeah, but it doesn't matter. If all your trades have to be 1 to 1s, then that's how it is.
Yeah.
Feel me? Obviously it's not ideal, but this is looking like a 1 to 1 type trade. Momentum hasn't been there. Type shit.
Yeah. Well, okay, so I did want to hold it higher. Could have got that 1 to 1, but I mean, that's how trading goes. That's a break-even trade. I'm actually down like 7, not 7%, £7. Yeah, well, $7. But I'm not gonna cry about it. I'd say I followed all my plans. I could have realistically, I said the volume went, so I could have, you know, just taken it there. But I just didn't see many lower wicks, so I was just like.
The lesson here was basically when you started seeing that upper wick form, maybe that was when it was time to go.
That's facts.
Because whilst we did only have bullish candles going to the upside, which indicates that we're going to stay bullish, feel me, you start seeing that upper wick form and it might be time to close. But it's not a loss, you feel me?
This upper wick up here.
Let's definitely break even. I've got my quick 1 to 1, but I'm not on a funded right now, so get that going.
I just saw quite a few gaps above, so that's kind of my waypoints that I was aiming to.
If it came with more momentum, like you definitely could have, like they would have been valid to fill in all those gaps.
Yeah.
It looks feasible, but yeah, the momentum just wasn't there for the trade.
That is unfortunate, but you know what they say?
Yeah, what?
I don't know what they say.
I mean, I'm really unsure.
They definitely say something in a scenario like this.
Tell me about it.
Okay, well, I'm gonna love you and leave you guys.